Hello students, in this lesson you will learn the troubleshooting procedure of the dead condition short-circuited motherboard. First of all, check the 19 volt resistor for short-circuited. Remove the resistor to find which section is short-circuited. Check this point, and if it is shows short, then the short is in this section. Check these two MOSFETs and capacitors connected to it and replace if necessary. If the short circuit at the input section, that is here, check all the MOSFETs connected on it. The 19 volt is directly connected to the all high-end MOSFETs and capacitors. To find the exact short-circuited components, try the following procedure. The first procedure is inject 10 volt into this point using DC power supply. Check for any heating components. Remove the heating components and check it again and confirm. Replace the faulty components if necessary. Procedure number 2. If the output of any voltage regulators are short-circuited, try the following procedure. Check with the multimeter at this point of the regulator section. If it shows more than 400 ohms, the section is OK. If it shows less than 100 ohms, it is short-circuited. First of all, before proceeding to the repair solution, remove the regulator IC of the regulator section and inject voltage which should not more than the allowed voltage. That is, if the RAM section is short-circuited, the injecting voltage should not be more than 1.5 volt. Inject the voltage and check for any heating ICs or any components. Remove the heating components and check the short has gone. If there is no short shown, replace the faulty components and solder back the regulator IC and try to power on the laptop. Do not inject the voltage without removing this regulator IC, otherwise the IC gets shorted.